splash the egg. Read the sound. Say a word. Print a couple of eggs with sounds on it. Or you can even make your own by using cardboard or even pieces of rubber or anything that you have lying around that you can cut out in the shape of eggs and write sounds on it. The kids has to find a sound and then they have to jump on it and splash the egg. They have to bring you the sound egg and say a word starting with that sound. Let's put all our eggs in one basket. Find the eggs. Read the eggs. Depending on the kids in your class, you can do this activity. You can print sound eggs for the younger kids, word eggs, and sentence eggs for the older kids. Give each kid a basket, or you can even use a bag. Hide the eggs on the playground. They have to run around and collect the eggs that are hidden on the playground. Give the kids a certain time frame in which they can find the eggs. Call them back. Look at all the eggs that they have found in their basket. They have to read each and every egg as they take it out of their baskets. You can find all the printable eggs in my teacher shop for a fraction of a price. And it will save you loads of time. I will put the link in the description of this video below. I wish you a wonderful Easter holiday. Happy reading!